Hi, back again with another unboxing. This is the Quilters candy box. I received it the same day as my sampler box. Actually, this usually comes afterwards, but it came the same day. So I'm doing the unboxing on the same day. So I hope you enjoy. This is covering my address. So let's get this thing open. And we'll get the peek at the same time. So as usual, it comes with this lovely pink tissue paper. And it is February's Quilters Candy Box XOXO. I'll put that on the side so we can take a look at it as we go. Okay, so the first thing I see is sewed together medium 24 medium 1-inch stickets. So glue dots are double adhesive application for fabric, trims, embellishments, flowers, and buttons to adhere to any sewing craft or hobby project. So I'll probably use this in my card making projects because I do card making also, and I do have a couple videos. So I would love it if you go take a look at that. So I'll probably use this for that. And let's see if there's any value on here. So this is called medium sticky dots and $3.50 retail value. And as always, I'll list everything below. This is the Olfa rotary blade. It looks like it is 60 millimeters, and I don't know if I have one this big, so I might just give this away, or maybe I'll buy one. So this one, it's always good to have a replacement blade, and this is a $17 value. And the applique pressing sheet. So I do have this already, and I do love it. So I will use this. I also use this in my card making videos, or card making. So let's see the value of this. Oh, it says that it was given a free sample, so this is a free gift. So that's really nice. And I do have this from Bare Thread Designs. Do love them. And this looks like a Quilters clapper. You can see it, RileyBlakeDesigns.com, made in the USA. It's nice and heavy. And it's to make your seams as flat as possible. I like that it has the handles, nice and comfortable, and it's really nice. So I'm expecting this to be pretty expensive. Tailors Hardwood Clapper. You may know about using these for garments, but if you use your clapper after ironing quilting fabric, it absorbs moisture and presses your seams to perfection. This is sure to be your favorite newest notion. $19.95 value. So that's awesome. So I do like that. And let's do the fabric last. So the pattern we got is the Vienna quilt pattern. Nice soft fabric, and it looks very vintage, which is really lovely. So it's by Elizabeth Chappell of Quilters Candy. So she's the owner of the subscription box. So that's really nice. The quilt measures 48 by 48. And this is what it looks like. I like how, again, it looks very vintagey. I do love that a lot. So it looks like it comes with everything we need. I'm not sure about the binding and backing, but it does look like it might come with everything. So that is the pattern. I do like it a lot. And that one is, it says, my newest pattern, Vienna. This has been one of my most popular patterns yet. Please note there is a pattern correction. On the cutting diagrams for fabric B, it shows two 14-inch squares. You only need to cut one. I am excited to see your Vienna quilts and what fabrics you choose to make them with. It's a $10 value. And the last but not least, the most fun thing is a fat quarter bundle of My Mind's Eye Sparkle. Yes, please, fabric from Riley Blake. This metallic new fabric line is perfect for any project. It's a $60 value. So it's like a rose gold. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's like a rose gold metallic. Super pretty. So let's see if I can kind of get this going. Look how pretty that is. So it's like a cream, very light cream with rose gold polka dots in random. It's not, you know, strictly placed there. It's a random, which is beautiful. And the next one is random rose gold hearts on the same color. I'm loving these. Next is a plaid with the same rose gold, same cream background. Lovely. XOXOs. I might make my daughter something out of this because she's so, she loves hearts and kisses and hugs and XOs. That's really pretty. This is also the same background. It looks like thistle flowers, wildflowers. Super beautiful. And the rest have black, cream, and rose gold. So this one is stripes and evenly spaced. So I don't know if you can see that rose gold. And then this one is a black background with the rose gold hearts. Really stunning. Looks like it's a gradation almost. There's a bunch of hearts and then it tapers down to not as many. Oh, love these arrows. Rose gold arrows on the black. And black with the rose gold dots. Randomly placed. And plaid with rose gold stripes. I'm really loving these. Love, love, love. Okay. Oh, there's no candy. So it says this month's box will include, oh, next month's box will include a big announcement. It will be curated by Maker Valley and we can't wait for you to receive it. So it doesn't, yeah, we didn't get a candy this time, which is fine. But anyway, I do love it. And I'll post again how much everything cost and what the value for the box is. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.